A for apple. Say A for apple. Say E for, tell me A for apple. Speak with me. A for apple. Speak A for apple. Say A for apple. B for ball. Say B for ball. And B for bear. Say B for bear. See B for broccoli. Different. Say B for broccoli and different. B for banana. C for camel. Say C for camel. And C for cat. And C for cow. Say C for cat. C for cow. Say C for cow. D for duck. Say, speak with me. D for dinosaur. Say D for dinosaur. D for daughter. Say D for daughter. D for dolphin. Say D for dolphin. E for elephant. Say E for elephant. And different. E for egg. Say egg. Say E for egg. And E for elephant. Say E for elephant. F for fish. Say F for fish. F for frog. Say F for frog. F for flag. Say F for flag. And F for frog. Speak with me. All kids speak with me. Z for garden. Say Z for garden. And Z for grass. Say Z for grass. Z for got. Say Z for got. Z for gift. Say Z for gift. H for hen. Say H for hen. And H for hat. And H for horse. H for house. Say different words. A for H for hat. Say H for hat. I for ice cream. Say I for ice cream. And I for inch. Say inch. I for ice cream. So cold. I for ice cream. J for jump. Say J for jump. And J for jump. Say J for jeep. Say J for jeep. And J for juice. Say juice. K for kangaroo. Say K for kangaroo. And K for kite. Say K for kite. And K for kitten. Say, tell me K for kitten. K for king. Different word. K for king. And L for lion. Say L for, speak with me. L for lion. Say L for lion. And L for lollipop. Say I love lollipop. M for monkey. Say M for monkey. M for, speak with me. M for, speak. Monkey, yes. And M for motorcycle. M for moon. M for monkey. Say M for monkey. N for nest. Say N for nest. O, N for notebook. Different words. N for notebook and N for neck. Say N for neck. And N for newspaper. Say N for newspaper. O for octopus. Say O for octopus. And O for octopus. And different word. O for owl. Say O for owl. Speak with me. O for owl. Say O for owl. P for panda. Say P for panda. And P for planet. Say P for planet. And P for plant. Say P for plan. And P for pig. Say P for pig. Q for question mark. Say Q for question mark. And Q for queen. Say Q for queen. And Q for quiet. Say Q for quiet. Different. Q for quiz. Say Q for quiz. R for rose. Say R for rose. And R for reindeer. Say R for reindeer. And R for rabbit. So cute. R for rabbit. And R for rocket. Say rocket. S for sun. Say S for sun. S for star. Say S for, speak with me, star. S for starfish. Say S for starfish. And S for snack. Say S for snack. T for tree. Say T for tree. And T for tiger. Say T for tiger. And T for, speak with me, T for tiger. And T for tree, T for train, T for Terry. U for umbrella. Say U for, speak with me, U for umbrella. Say U for umbrella. U for umbrella, very good. Speak with me, U for umbrella. Hey, hey, rain, rain. V for violin. Say V for violin. V for village. Say V for village. And V for vegetable. Say V for vegetable. And V for violin. Say V for violin. W for window. Say W for window. And W for watch. Say W for watch. And W for well. Say W for well. And W for wheel. W for well. W for water. X for X-ray. Say X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Speak with me. All kids speak with me. X for X-ray. Say X for yes. X for xylophone. Say X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Say Y for yo-yo. And Y for yellow. Say Y for yellow. And Y for yacht. Say Y for yacht. And Z for zoo. Say Z for zoo. And Z for zebra. Say Z for zebra.